we'll start with type number 2. Type number 2 is trigonometric type. Now in trigonometric type, now you should know all trigonometric formulas. So this is again a type from 11th standard. Okay. So we'll start with few basic questions. Integration of sine square x. Now there is no integration formula, direct formula for sine square x. So in this case we'll use a formula. Sine square x in terms of double angle form. Sine square x is 1 minus cos of 2x by 2. 1 by 2 constant outside integration. So inside it is 1 minus cos of 2x dx. Integration of 1 with respect to x is x. Cos of 2x. For cos of 2x integration value is sine of 2x divided by always coefficient of x, that is 2, plus some constant value c. Okay. Now if we consider few questions based on this double angle form only. Again, consider this as x. Okay. Sine square x is 1 minus cos of 2x by 2. So if I consider this as x, 1 minus cos of 2 times of x in this case is 4x upon 2. So this is 1 minus cos of 8x upon 2. 1 by 2 constant outside integration. Inside it is 1 minus cos of 8x. Integration of 1 with respect to x is x. For cos of 2x, cos of 8x, for cos of 8x, integration value is sine of 8x divided by coefficient of x, that is 8, plus some constant value c. Okay. Now for the next form, if I consider for cos square theta, it is 1 plus cos of 2 theta by 2. हे फॉर्म्युलीज तुमच्या लक्षातच पाहिजेत. साइन स्क्वेअर थीटाला आपण वापरलाय 1 plus 1 minus cos of 2 theta upon 2. Okay. So remember these two formulas. Okay. So for cos square of 3x, it is 1 plus cos of 2 times of this angle. Consider this as theta. Okay. So 2 theta, theta in this case is 3x upon 2. This is 1 plus cos of 6x upon 2. 1 by 2 constant outside integration. Inside it is 1 plus cos of 6x. Integration of 1 with respect to x is x. For cos of 6x, integration value is sine of 6x divided by always coefficient of x, that is 6, plus some constant value c. Okay. तर हा साइन स्क्वेअर थीटा आणि कॉस स्क्वेअर थीटाचा फॉर्म जो आहे त्याच्यावरचे आणखी काही क्वेश्चन्स आपण इन शॉर्ट घेऊ शकतो. हे तुम्ही ॲज अ होमवर्क म्हणून घरी तुम्ही सिमिलरली सॉल्व्ह करू शकता. Okay. Now we'll consider next form. Question number 11 we'll consider here cubic form. Okay. Now consider cubic form in this case. If we consider next question as a sine cube of 4x dx. Okay. There is again no direct formula for sine cube theta. So for that we'll use here triple angle formula. Sine of 3x is 3 sine x. Sine of 3x चा फॉर्म्युला काय बघा. Sine cos of 3x आणि sine of 3x हे दोन महत्वाचे फॉर्म्स आहेत. ओके. So for that, now using now these triple angle formulas, we will solve these questions. Okay. एकदा बघून घ्या ट्रिपल अँगल फॉर्म्युले सगळ्यांनी. साइन ऑफ 3x and cos of 3x form. Okay. So if you consider sin cube of 4x, for that we'll consider a formula for sin of 3x. Sin of 3x is 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. So that sin cube x, in this case, if you find out this value, it is 3 sin x minus sin of 3x divided by 4. Okay. Now, we have to find sin cube of 4x form. So, we replace x by 4x. We replace x by 4x. So, this is 3 sin of 4x minus sin of 12x divided by 4. Okay. And now we'll find out integration value for this. 3 sin of 4x minus sin of 12x upon 4. Now in this case, 1 by 4 constant. 1 by 4 constant, it is outside integration. Inside it is integration of sin is minus cos. So 3 outside, this is minus cos of 4x upon 4. This is minus cos of 12x upon 12. So finally this is minus 3 cos of 4x. 4 4s are 16. Minus minus, it is plus cos of 12x upon 48 plus some constant value c. एकदा बघून घ्या सगळ्यांनी आणि हे जे क्वेश्चन्स आहेत त्याचं होमवर्कला तुम्ही सॉल्व करणार आहात. ओके. Now we'll start with next form. We'll consider product in terms of addition and subtraction form. Okay. Chalo. Now we'll continue with next question. आणखीन एक क्वेश्चन घेऊ आपण या फॉर्म मध्ये क्यूबिक फॉर्म साठी. Okay. Cos cube of alpha x, if we consider, you know, for cos of 3x triple angle formula, it is 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. So, cos cube x is cos of 3x plus 3 cos x divided by 4. Now we replace x by alpha x. We replace x by alpha x. So, cos cube of alpha x is cos of 3. Replace x with alpha x. 3 cos of alpha x divided by 4. And now we'll find out integration value for this. We'll find out integration value for this. Okay. Now in this case, 1 by 4 constant outside integration. Inside it is cos of 3 alpha x plus 3 cos of alpha x dx. Integration of cos is sin divided by coefficient of x, that is 3 alpha. 3 constant outside integration. For cos of alpha x, integration value is sine of alpha x upon alpha plus some constant value c. So your final integration value. आता ह्याच टाइपचे आणखीन काही क्वेश्चन मी तुम्हाला देऊ शकते की जे तुम्ही सिमिलरली घरी सॉल्व करू शकता. तर हे क्वेश्चन्स लिहून घ्या सगळ्यांनी आणि तुम्ही घरी ट्राय करू शकता सिमिलरली. ओके. तर जे तुम्हाला होमवर्कला क्वेश्चन्स येते ते ॲज अ असाइनमेंट म्हणून लगेचच्या लगेच घरी सॉल्व्ह करणं खूप महत्वाचं आहे. ठीक आहे. नाव सेम टाईप मध्ये आता आपण पुढचा फॉर्म कन्सिडर करूया. प्रोडक्ट इन टर्म्स ऑफ ऍडिशन अँड सबट्रॅक्शन. Product form will convert product in terms of addition and subtraction. So in this case, first we'll multiply and divide by 2. We'll multiply and divide by 2. So this is like 2 sin a cos b. 2 sin a cos b is sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b. So if we use this formula, it is sin of a plus b, 2x plus 4x, it is 6x, plus sin of a minus b, 2x minus 4x, it is minus 2x. Now you know that sin of minus theta is minus sin theta. And now we'll find out integration value for this. For sin of 6x, integration value is minus cos of 6x upon 6. Minus sign as it is for sin of 2x, integration value is minus cos of 2x upon 2. Simplify kara finally and write down your answer in terms of simplified form. Okay. Now we'll continue with the next question. (22) is cos of 2x into cos of 4x. So again in this case we multiply and divide by 2. So form is 2 cos a cos b. 2 cos a cos b is cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b. So here it is 2x plus 4x, it is 6x plus cos of 2x minus 4x is minus 4x. Now you know that cos of minus theta is always plus cos theta. Okay, cos of minus theta is always plus cos theta. So this is cos of 2x only. Integration of cos is sine divided by coefficient of x. Again it is sine divided by coefficient of x plus some constant value c. We'll start with the next question. Sine of 4x into sine of 6x. Now in this case, we'll multiply and divide by 2. So this is 2 sine A sine B. Formula is part पाहिजे आपले. 2 sine A sine B is cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B. So we'll use this formula here. So it is cos of A minus B, 4x minus 6x, it is minus 2x. A plus B, 4x plus 6x, it is 10x. Cos of minus theta is always plus cos theta. And now we'll find out integration value. For cos of 2x, integration value is sine of 2x by 2. This is sine of 10x by 10 plus some constant value c. बाकीचे क्वेश्चन से लिहून घ्या सगळ्यांनी. यातला आणखीन एक सॉल्व करू शकतो आपण 24. ओके, हे क्वेश्चन सगळ्यांनी लिहून घ्या. Now consider question number 24. Cos of 2x, cos of 4x, cos of 6x. Product of three terms. So we'll consider two at the time. So if I consider first and last together, so multiply and divide by 2. So form is 2 cos A cos B. Okay. 2 cos A cos B is cos of A plus B, that is 2x plus 6x, it is 8x, plus cos of A minus B, 2x minus 6x, it is minus 4x, bracket complete, into cos of 4x as it is. So this is cos of 8x, bracket la cos of 4x ne multiply kara. So this is cos of 8x into cos of 4x. Cos of minus theta is always plus cos theta. So using this formula, this is cos of 4x into cos of 4x. This is cos square of 4x. Now, inside integration, again in this case, we will divide by 2, multiplied by 2 for the first term, bracket complete, plus. Now for the second term, cos square theta is 1 plus cos of 2 theta by 2. 1 plus cos of 2 times of 4x, that is 8x by 2 dx. Okay. Now, next form is, now in this case, we'll consider now this formula. Now in this case, this half and half, this is 1 by 4 outside. 2 cos A cos B is cos of A plus B. 8x plus 4x, it is 12x, plus cos of A minus B. 8x minus 4x, it is 4x dx, plus half is there. Half integration values for the first term as well as for the second term. Half times integration of 1 plus cos of 8x by 2. Okay. So that it is now 1 by 4 times for cos of 12x, integration value is sine of 12x by 12. For cos of 4x, integration value is sine of 4x by 4, bracket complete, plus this half and this half, it is 1 by 4. Inside bracket, integration of 1 is x. Integration of cos of 8x is sine of 8x by 8. So finally it is sine of 12x upon 48 plus sine of 4x by 16 plus x by 4 plus sine of 8x by 32 plus some constant value c. ठीक आहे. असेच तुम्ही काही क्वेश्चन्स आणखीन काय सॉल्व करू शकता ॲज अ होमवर्क म्हणून. आणखीन 2 क्वेश्चन्स इथे सॉल्व इथे लिहून देते. कॉस इंटू साइन. ओके, तर हे क्वेश्चन्स तुम्ही घरी ट्राय करा.